Hello. All right, I just want to explain something about connectors. This is the lightning connector. Okay, let me get that. That's the lightning connector. This is the USB-A. Everybody's familiar with that one. And this is the USB-C connector. This is the way of the future. So everything's going to be C to C. Okay, so you will have some old cords, and I've just been doing a bit of an inventory and a bit of a declutter and working out what I need in all the spaces. And so I thought I'd just hop on to show you. But I'd ordered these the other day because knowing that this is how all the products that are going to come out now in the future will have the USB-C, and you may want to do what I'm doing, and that is I purchased a couple of packs of these. I'll put the links below if you're interested. I did some research, and these were the ones that I came up with that I thought were really great, and they've been great so far. So this is female to male, so we understand that's the male end, that's the female end, and this is a 2-pack. So I've got 2 in here. The other one's plugged in at the moment, and they're great. All right, so let me just unbox this and show you this. I just wanted to do an unboxing, but I can certainly let you know how it goes after the fact. But basically, it comes in its little pouch. Gotta love that. My granddaughter was playing stamps yesterday. Okay, so this has got some great information on it. You can pause it and have a look. It's got the USB-A and the 2 USB-C, which total 100 watts. So you have a slow charge. So see down here, 30 watt, 65 watt, and 30 watt on here. So let me just open that. And again, it's just, I think sometimes you just have to do a inventory stock control on what you've got and work out. I use 3 or 4 different spaces in my home office and in my studio for all my charging. So this is the way of the future. This is what I'm saying to you. Your cords in the future will go from USB-C to USB-C. And all the devices, as they are, made newer, they will have these ports on them, and that will be your connectivity. So that is why, look at this cute little doobie. Here we go. Wow, I love it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's very heavy, feels very solid and very nice. Okay, now this is why I got it here. So USB-C one, I'm not sure which one is the 30, C1 and C2. So it looks like C1 is the 65 watt, and C2 is, so it goes strong power, 30 watt, and then 18 watt shared. All right, and so as you know, that's your USB-C. In both of those ports are your USB-C, and then your USB-A goes in there. So again, sorry, they're very snug, but they're very good quality. I love them. They're beautiful, and they're nice. I like black on my cords. I've got white because obviously Apple make a lot of white, but when I buy, I like to buy black. All right, so that's useful, but I actually bought this particular one. Let me get it out so that I could. That goes down that way, so that I could utilize my cords that I've got that still have the USB-A on the end. All right, but just a word for the future. It's all changing to USB-C, so get yourself whatever adapters you need in that space, and just consider what chargers you need and where you need them. Awesome. I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much. Bye.